Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining in today. Today, you guys, I am finally doing that backlighting video. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick behind the scenes part of this maternity session that we did some time ago. And I'm going to show you basically how I backlight. So here you can see an example of what my backlighting looks like. Now I have two strobes. I use Godox E300s. I have two strobes pointed directly at the white backdrop so that it can bounce lighting. They're both at half power, so the meter at the back goes up to 3.0, so I have both of them set to 1.5. And this gives me that really pretty bounce where it makes it extremely soft around mom. And my camera settings are usually ISO 200, f-stop 4.0, and my shutter speed is usually always 1/160th of a second in studio. So that kind of just gives you an idea of the settings that I use for my backlit images, and you'll see that I'm going to actually change it from backlit to being lit regularly. Now some people wonder why I do not have a light in the front. Now this is why I put both my lights on half power, because it'll technically be more than enough to bounce completely forward. Also, I don't use any V-flats because my studio walls are white. So it'll continue to bounce the lighting. The ceiling is white, the paper is white, the walls are white. So this light continues to bounce, which gives her that beautiful lighting to wrap around her. Now I also do this type of lighting because I really like strong shadows. I feel like it looks extremely powerful. It looks very dynamic. So yeah, this just gives you an idea of what I do and the technique that I use for my backlighting, since that was such a big question after my high key editing. So if you guys like this video and would like to see more in depth on some of the different shooting techniques that I use, definitely ask and I'll make sure that I get some type of behind the scenes video for you guys, and enjoy the rest of the video. Of course, if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and I would be eternally grateful. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. It is not even funny. So again, I want to thank you guys, and I hope that you enjoy the rest of this video.